It's a wrap! I'm holding so many things because Andrea is here and today is the first time we're training ever since the new rules of the heightened circuit breaker.
시간은 계속 흘러만 가도 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한
Taste test time! So I made some quinoa. I used the omni meat, which is like a vegan, vegetarian, plant-based meat. This is actually really tasty. I think you can actually substitute it with brown rice as well. This is the second cup I made and it looks much better. Good afternoon! Today I'm packing a giveaway box because I posted a giveaway on my Instagram recently and I want to give away one gift box to one lucky winner worth over $500, and in there the winner will be able to choose some of the items that he or she wants. And I found my winner and she said that she's always been wanting to try a Foreo device, so I went out and get this for her, the Foreo UFO Mini 2. I hope she likes it. On top of that, she also told me that she wants to try brands like Caudalie, the Vino Perfect Serum, which is what I threw in for her as well. I'm just reusing the Coco and Eve box, but this is what she will be getting because this one actually costs quite a lot. So the value is $500 and this one is already like more than half of it. So that's why I included this. We even have a Glowfully Hydrating Mist. She also did mention that she wants all skincare because she doesn't use makeup. Included a cleanser, and I try my best to pick out like a full spectrum. So she also has a sunscreen, a serum, a toner, a mask, and oh, this is a small skincare set. This one is an essence, like a whitening, brightening essence, and I have a smaller bag of reusable cotton rounds as well as a scrunchie. So I hope she likes it. So these are the things I'm packing for my shoot, and this is an upcoming Mont's lovet piece. Just look at how pretty and soft. It's like super soft. I love it. Alright, today Charlene is on duty, so I'm driving to her house to pick her up right now. Then we'll do a shoot. Today we're planning to go to National Gallery and just, you know, hang around that area because we are kind of looking for outdoor scenes that have a little bit more whites and high ceilings for today's theme. So let's go. Look who we have here. She's having the breakfast that I brought for her. Is it nice?
Good.
It's like some muffin platter that I got. But I ate my oatmeal today, so you can have this. We are parked at National Gallery. It's so early, it's not even open. It's a wrap! My friends are over and she's the star of the show. Hello! We just had hadukan for dinner and we're super full. So we're sharing a slice of cheesecake. 4 of us. Whee! And I had a few cocktails, hence my face. I look really flush. And the cocktails are really strong, by the way. This is one of the best. Yes, and Harukan dinner tonight was so good. I reviewed it on MONGABONG Eat, so if you guys are looking for something to deliver, you can check that one out.
What you doing? Where you at? Did you feel the way I feel and you want me like I want you tonight, baby? And tell me that you're coming through.
If I remember to tell you guys that I got my lashes done, but I went back to Kirami and Nicole did it for me instead of my usual therapist, which is Pony. I realized I have been eating expired Greek yogurt. Yeah, no wonder they tasted so sour. Thank God my tummy still feels fine and I've been eating it for the past, I think, like 3 days. Last night I was making like some supper for Matt, so I did like granola with my Greek yogurt and he was just like, there's just something wrong with it. And I was just like, no, Greek yogurt is supposed to be not sweet. So I put in a lot of honey for him. And he was just like, yeah, but even with the honey, it still tastes like oddly sour. And I was just like, let me try it. And I took a bite and I was like half thinking if I should just fake it because I know I was gonna get scolded like crazy. So I was just like, I know it's spoiled, but and I said, I tasted it and it tastes quite edible, I guess. And I was just like, you know what? Actually, it's been expired for 3 days. And he was just like, what? I'm glad to report I'm still alive, but I better go and throw away my overnight rolled oats now. Today I'm making cocoa baked oatmeal that is supposedly gonna taste like brownies. Alright, so while we're waiting for the oatmeal to be baking, I've been having kombucha every morning. So this one is from the brand Elixir. It's the lychee mint kombucha. I actually really like it. It's very refreshing. And it's not too sour or acidic. So I like to have this over a cup of ice, and this is my Disney Plus cup. I really like ice drinks now with like a vacuum, you know, kind of double walled cup because it doesn't require me to use a coaster, which makes things so much easier and I have one less thing to clean. 대박. So good! Oh my god. I'm still waiting for my blood test results to come out about the cholesterol. It's so ridiculous because this is the second time I'm doing at this particular health checkup specialist place. So they only do health checkups there. This is the second time, like I said, because I'm doing my second blood test again. Anyway, the first time they screwed it up by writing an inaccurate weight on the report because they wrote that I was 11 kg heavier. Like, guys, 11 kg. Okay, so I wrote in and I was just like, hey, I don't think this weight is correct. I saw my weight on the weighing scale, it wasn't this number, and they were like, oh, sorry, let me amend it and just send it back to you. So I was just like, okay, so is it so much room for error? So that's why I said, like, could there be a problem with the cholesterol readings because it's way too high? But anyway, that's the first test, and that's why I'm doing a second one, just to confirm that there's nothing, like there's no error in the numbers. And then the second one, after I did it, I got an email with the report. So I was just like, okay, no, the email is here. I was praying really hard about it. And when I opened the attachment, of course, because I did 2 retests, one of it was a urine test and another one is a blood test. I opened it, all I saw was the urine test result. Like, the blood test result is missing, and they promised 5 working days, and it has been 8 working days so far. I dropped them an email 3 days ago or 4 days ago, and I still haven't gotten back. And yeah, the blood test result is nowhere to be found. So the same thing as the previous time, I actually emailed them and they said, and I got no reply, so I had to call them myself, and they didn't seem to actually even know of my email inquiry. So sometimes I'm just like very confused. Why would you leave, like, if you have any inquiries, please contact our information or help desk at this, and then nobody replies, and then when I call the help desk and they're like, oh, we didn't know about it. I was like, huh, okay. But anyway, end of rant. I just gotta patiently wait for the results and hope that it's all good. I think I put too much milk. Okay, so I just baked it for about 10 more minutes and it looks better. I also let it sit and cool down a little bit, so let's see the texture. Ooh, much better now.